coming in from the state of Karnataka, which remember is now preparing to go into lockdown for a week from Tuesday evening. Now, several people have been flocking to several of the grocery stores and also supermarkets in Bengaluru in order to stock up for essentials for a week. Now, despite the government allowing the essentials to remain open during the lockdown, a lot of people are now stepping out to finish shopping, fearing the rising number of COVID cases. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Neha, we are of course looking at a week of lockdown in Karnataka owing to the high number of cases. But what is the ground situation? Because right now we're also getting reports of several people going out and trying to buy as much essentials as possible. Perhaps is that also flouting several of the social distancing norms? All right, we'll try and get connected with Neha once again. But remember, we are of course looking at the lockdown that is going to be once again imposed in the state of Karnataka. Remember, it is going to be there from July 14th to 22nd till 5 a.m. This is a week-long lockdown, and Bengaluru again has started seeing panic buying at this point, with several of the residents thronging to the shops ahead of the restrictions that will be put in place from July 14th onwards. Let me once again go back to my colleague Neha Hebale for those updates. Neha, despite the assurances coming in from the government that all the essential shops will continue to remain open, what is the situation on ground? What have you been picking up from looking at several of the supermarkets and essential stores?
Well, Apurva, there's no two doubts that, large number of people have hit the streets today of Bengaluru, to various supermarkets and shops to actually stock up on their essentials for 1 week. While in, the bigger stores like the metro store that we're at right now, it is a very organized and a very regulated manner. The crowds is what we're actually focusing at this point in time. There are several people, who've actually come out now fearing that essentials may not be available in this 1 week. That's despite multiple assurances, from the government. Apurva, I'd like to walk you through what the scenario is at this shop. As you can see, this is a separate queue that's been made only for the women. And going further ahead, I'd like to show you that there are 5 entire queues of people who are just waiting to, go into the shop and stock up on their essential supplies for 1 week. As you can see, there are also arrangements over here for announcements to be made to remind people to maintain the social distancing. And what, you can actually see, Apurva, in this entire area that we're showing you of this parking lot is, queues of people who are just waiting to go in and stock up on their essentials. We did, in fact, a little while earlier also speak to the manager of the store, and he did go on to tell us that, this is an unusual rush, that this is not an everyday rush that you would see, and that people mainly, of course, are now afraid. They are a little worried that essentials may not be available in this coming week, or even if the essentials are available, that they may not be allowed to step out to, actually buy the essentials. Because let's remember that Bengaluru is going into a lockdown from 8 p.m. on Tuesday, where we are actually going to be, seeing how the police is going to be enforcing very strictly on ground, and only people who have a valid reason to be out will actually be permitted, which is why, several people who have actually arrived over here today are trying to ensure that, they can stock up on all their supplies and stay shut or stay locked in for the next 1 week. Because also, another concern parallelly, Apurva, is the fact that, the number of cases, as we have been reporting about, have been on a very steep rise in Bengaluru. We're seeing nearly 2,000, 2,500 cases being reported on a daily basis, which is why people are also, now in fact trying to avoid stepping out during that crucial 1 week when the government has appealed to people to stay indoors. So as you can of course see, while social distancing has been maintained over here very well, it still brings us back to the bigger question of panic buying that's, actually happening amongst customers over here. This is just one such shop that we're showing you. We visited several other shops prior to this also, and what we did in fact notice was a very similar situation where people are, thronging the shops in large numbers just in order to be able to at least stock up for the next 1 week. Also the fact that, we're not entirely sure whether the lockdown would be extended further. So that is also a concern. So keeping that in mind, several people who've actually come out today.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and giving us those ground updates.